Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Iota. Over the last 1 week, Iota has gotten a crazy pump, rallying up by more than 74%. The last 1 month has seen it rally up by 92.5%. Good times are returning back to the altcoin market. Altcoins are showing us huge signs of life. Iota has erased all the losses we made for 2023. Right now, pumping to new yearly highs. How high are we going to go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll be taking a look at the Iota US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. We'll also look at Iota's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin. We'll finally look at Iota's market cap, which has quickly rallied towards the $1 billion region. There's great in cryptocurrency market. We're waiting for Altseason. So how high can Iota go in the coming days and coming weeks? We will be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. So do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
I can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
If you take a look at the meme coin market, if you take a look at the altcoin market, we're seeing double-digit gains, we're seeing triple-digit gains across the board. Good times are returning back to the cryptocurrency market. We have been in grid for over a month. How high do we expect to see altcoins going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Guys, we're still waiting for that elusive alt season. Alt season is when we see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. Alt season is when we see capital slowly leaving the Bitcoin market into the altcoin market. And that always happens when we see greed. That always happens when we see extreme greed. So how high do we expect to see Iota go in the coming days and coming weeks? Let's take a look at some key details about Iota, which currently trades around the $0.31 level. It has a market cap of over $950 million. 24-hour trading volume of more than $443 million. The total supply is sitting at 3 billion tokens, maximum supply of 4.6 billion Iota tokens, with a fully diluted market cap for around $1.4 billion. Iota's all-time high happened on the 19th of December 2017, traded for as high as $5.69. The all-time low happened on the 13th of March 2020. Iota traded for as low as the $0.079 region. Iota is currently down 94% from its all-time highs. Why should we buy some Iota? Why should we expect it to continue going to higher values in the coming days and coming weeks? Iota is a distributed ledger with one big difference. It isn't actually a blockchain. Instead, it's a proprietary technology. It's known as Tangle, a system of nodes that confirm transactions. The foundation behind this platform says this offer far greater. The foundation behind this platform says they offer far greater speed than conventional blockchain and it's an ideal footprint for ever expanding Internet of Things ecosystem. Where can you get some Iota? If you want to get some, guys, you can get some on Binance, on Qcoin, on Bitfinex, on OKX, on HTX, on Gate.io, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Now let's go back to the Iota US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. Brief history about Iota, guys. Iota was launched way back in 2016. We had an epic bull run in 2017. Iota joining that bull run, rallying up by more than 3,500%. But what happened after the bull run comes the bear market. In Iota's first full crypto bear market, crazy dumps to gobbling town. We saw Iota losing more than 98% of its value. But what makes the altcoin market very interesting, or makes a lot of people still buy altcoins after they're down 90+%, is that those altcoins have the magical ability to recover. They have the ability to pump to higher values. They have the ability to rally up by more than 2,700%. That's what Iota did in the next bull run. The 2,700% pump, guys, meant if you invested $1,000 in Iota, you got over $27,000 through the course of the bull market. But again, we had another bear market, and this time Iota was dumping to gobbling town. We saw Iota dump to as low as the $0.14 level. That's the lowest we've gone to in this bear market, and that happens not to be a new all-time low. Luckily for us, we didn't drop to new all-time lows. We found support before we got to those COVID lows, but Iota was already down 94.7% from the 2021 bull run high. Good times are returning back to the cryptocurrency market. We've seen a lot of altcoins recover very well. We've seen Solana go from $8 to as high as $63. Iota pulled the big move over the last few weeks. We've rallied back to where we were trading in August of 2022. Guys, the bear market can be long, the bear market can be brutal, but your number one job in the bear market is to survive, because if you can survive, those gains can come very quickly. For context sake, Iota was dumping for 434 days, just dumping every day, setting lower highs, setting lower lows. But guess what, guys? In the last few weeks, from the 9th of October 2023, Iota has rallied up by more than 125%, and we expect it to continue pumping to higher values very, very quickly. But we're going to experience some resistance along the way. Iota is going to get rejected at some key levels. We saw Iota getting rejected around the $0.37 level in August of 2022. Right now, we're not there, but as we're closing towards that $0.37 level, you want to pay close attention to it. Another phenomenon I'm recognizing the altcoin market has been a lot of altcoins rallying back to their March 2022 price. For Iota, that sits around the $0.93 level. For Iota to get there from our currently trading, guys, we'll need to see Iota rally up by more than 187%. That will mean from the bottom where Iota got to in this bear market, around the $0.13 level, would have seen Iota give us more than a 600% pump. And the 600% pump can come very, very quickly, guys. In the altcoin market, things move very, very quickly. And right now, we're in greed. We're expecting to see that extreme greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. Extreme greed will only see a lot of people get more bullish. If they get more bullish, we're going to see altcoin season. Altcoin season has not happened in 2023, guys. Altcoin season is the wonder to behold. In altcoin season, we see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. It doesn't mean Bitcoin is not pumping. It just means those altcoins are going harder than Bitcoin, and they are going hard very, very quickly. Take a look at what the altcoin market has done over the last 1 week. We are having double-digit gains across the board. We even have some altcoins that have given us triple-digit gains. If you take a look at Iota's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, huge dumps to Goblin Town ever since the all-time highs happened for Iota against Bitcoin in 2017. It's basically lost over 98% of its value. But guys, the meme coin market and the altcoin market have showed us one thing, that anytime Bitcoin is pumping, let's get positive. Anytime we see the market gets bullish, let's get positive. Let's expect to see huge pumps. And right now, Iota's outperformed Bitcoin over the last 1 week. I'll not be shocked to see that outperformance continue. We can easily get a 200, a 300, even as high as a 500% pump against Bitcoin before the end of the year. Can we get to new all-time highs against Bitcoin? I don't think we can do that, guys. I don't think we're going to do that in 2023. Because if you take a look at Iota's market cap, that got to as low as the $377 million level. The previous bull market saw Iota's market cap heading to as high as $7.2 billion. But we got rejected there. Right now, we're battling against a critical resistance level that's around the $1 billion mark. I believe we can brass above the $1 billion mark. I believe the meme coin market can continue giving us huge gains, but I believe Iota's market cap will find difficulties at that $2.5 billion region. We'll find difficulties at that $2.5 billion region. We'll have to see a rally from where we're currently trading. We'll have to pump to higher values. We'll have to see Iota give us another additional 173% pump. In total, that will mean from the bottom, Iota started pumping on the 16th of October 2023, would have gotten around a 600% rally. I'm the school of thought that we're not going to see new all-time highs. But guys, a 600% rally is very, very good to see. Bitcoin has not gotten to new all-time highs. Ethereum has not gotten to new all-time highs. So I'm not expecting meme coins and altcoins to start going to new all-time highs right now. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see Iota heading to in the coming days and in the coming weeks? Do you think we're going to see extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market as we're waiting for Altseason? Do you think Iota is going to rally above that $1 level? Are you buying more right now? Adding to your moonbacks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.